Hey everyone, welcome back to Healthy Eats 007, the channel where we bring you tips and tricks to live your best life. Today, we're diving into a lesser-known superfood, bitter melon. Yes, it's bitter, but trust me, it's packed with health benefits that'll make you think twice about skipping it. Let's explore why this unique fruit deserves a spot on your plate. Bitter melon, also known as Momordica charantia, is a tropical fruit native to Asia, Africa, and the Caribbean. It's often used in traditional cuisines and herbal medicine for its impressive health benefits. With its bumpy green skin and distinct taste, it may not win any beauty contests, but what it lacks in appearance, it makes up for in nutrients. Let's talk about what makes bitter melon a nutritional powerhouse. It's loaded with vitamin C, boosts your immune system. Vitamin A supports healthy skin and vision. Fiber, great for digestion and keeping you full. Iron and potassium, essential minerals for energy and heart health. It's also low in calories, making it perfect for anyone watching their weight. Alright, here are the top 5 health benefits of bitter melon you need to know. Bitter melon contains compounds that mimic insulin, helping to lower blood sugar levels naturally. That's why it's often recommended for people with type 2 diabetes or those at risk. It's like nature's little gift for blood sugar management. Just don't ditch your doctor-approved treatments. Packed with antioxidants and vitamin C, bitter melon helps fight off infections and keeps your immune system in top shape. Thanks to its high fiber content, bitter melon supports smooth digestion, prevents constipation, and even helps cleanse the gut. Low in calories, but high in fiber. That's a recipe for weight loss success. Bitter melon helps you feel full for longer, reducing overeating. With its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, bitter melon can help clear acne, reduce redness, and promote glowing skin. Now, I know what you're thinking. How do I even eat this thing? Bitter melon can be intimidating, but there are plenty of ways to make it taste great. Here are some ideas. Stir-fry it with garlic and onions for a quick side dish. Add it to soups or stews for a rich, earthy flavor. Blend it into a green juice or smoothie with sweeter fruits to balance the bitterness. And there you have it, bitter melon, the ultimate underdog of the health world. Sure, it's an acquired taste, but the benefits are too good to pass up. Give it a try, and your body will thank you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more healthy living tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time on Healthy Choices. Stay healthy and stay happy.